Alright, so hey guys, today I've decided to get you a little clip of some squirrels, because, I don't know, it's entertaining to look at squirrels and stuff, because squirrels are entertaining. Who doesn't want to look at squirrels? So I guess everyone's at lockdown right now, so I decided to give you some videos of squirrels, because not all you guys have access to looking at squirrels, because I don't know, squirrels are cool. So, let's get right into it. Watch this video. Okay, I'm back here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. And hit the bell to get notified for the next cool video that I'm gonna make. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in such a long time. I'm trying to make a vlog. I've already taped a vlog on Sweetwater, so you guys can see the insides of Sweetwater, if you're into that stuff, music and stuff. That was a long time ago, so I just have to get to editing it, which I haven't done yet. So, until next time, see ya!